Hi, this is Rick from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Audi V V80, stock number 6055. This ran from 01 2016 to the current shape. It has a 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the Audi V 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear sliding door, 3 dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear door, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear sliding door, 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter. Factory touchscreen stereo. Instrument cluster. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel.